since I've been gone, I haven't posted JoJo's content. I want to say about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. And so today we're back with more JoJo's content. And it's not just your normal stuff. This is the good stuff. This is DIO's WARUDO Compilation. JoJo Bizarre Adventure Stardust Crusaders. I'm assuming that's a movie because I don't know what that is. That could even be like a game or something. But hey, I want to see WARUDO. So with that being said, check it out. Dude, that sound effect is so amazing. Wait, okay. I know I paused it like the first 10 seconds, but I want to ask one thing, right? Is it like to where it just freezes time and then it just resumes it afterwards? Like if this is just that, that's also really broken. Okay. That's OP. The fact that you can just freeze time and then Falcon Punch! That's not fair. Like, generally speaking, what do you do about that? Time is frozen. Like, imagine you're taking a pee, right? Then out of nowhere, just like a hole in your stomach. Like, bro. That's not fair. I just realized that's painfully loud in my ear. I don't know why. I think that's the iconic one right there. If I can, like the memes and stuff. Wait, that's what that's from? I thought I thought it was like from punching. I didn't know it was from like him freezing time and just. I think I unplugged my mic, but what I said was, if time is frozen, then what can he do about it? It's over. So yeah, I'm gonna not touch this part anymore because I have like a loose cord. I have to like keep wiggling it in, or something like slide out. So I'm gonna leave it like right there. Okay. Zero. Bro, he's spamming this more than Rasengans. Dude, that's not even fair.
5秒前4秒前あと3秒
Oh? How is he moving in frozen time or stop time? Zawaldo! Wait, how's he doing that? I'm confused.
残りあと2秒それだけか動けるのは
Bro, anime time is crazy because him laughing was 2 seconds.
0
No! Star Platinum! Star Finger! He sold him. He had 3 knives to his chest, all because he missed out on 3. Which, I don't blame him, because he had to punch at least 50 knives in the span of 5 seconds. I know something that I could do personally, but, you know, he's kind of bigger than me, so it's probably harder to, move his arm, because his arms are bigger. And he has armor on, too, so that could be why. Is his armor connected to his shoulders? Like, with bolts? What the heck?
終わったなダメ押しにもう一本
I was expecting a headshot. Yo, that's crazy. This dude Dio is a main character. Why is it JoJo's Bizarre Adventure should be Dio's WARUDO? Now that's a great title. He should be dead, right? He's got a blade to his head. Why did he freeze time? So he's gonna be stuck in his head. I mean, in his blade. I'm okay.
ザ・ワールド、時は止まった。
Ooh, you think that gives you brain damage? Because that's literally like a lobotomy. I don't think he has a brain. He probably has like a spirit brain or something. Because that don't make no sense. He just walked out of it. Dude, that's insane, man.
やはりポルナレフか。時は動き出す。
Okay, first of all, that's just not fair, bro. You can't. Stopping time is so broken. Second of all, actually, okay. Second, that dude got destroyed. He just hit him with a ding and broke all of his guts. Did you just stop time the world? Bro, what? Oh my goodness. That might give him a headache. I didn't expect him to be that strong. I know he has like crazy gains like me. But, dude, he punched half his head and his head just like crumbled. Oh my goodness. Zawardo! Shut up! Bro, he is not beating Goku. Bro, this is crazy. DIO, you're going out sad, bro. You're actually a punching bag. That's at least like 12 punches, like at most. Oh my, I say 12. I'm gonna say like 100 plus, not 12. I don't know. Were you not dead? You had one in the head and then 3 in the chest. What? Bro, he's the biggest spammer. Is he a fraud? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you think DIO's a fraud? Because I genuinely have no idea. Also, you made this far in the video as well. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new here. Yes, please and thank you. Wait, did he just die? Wait, so it didn't even work. Dude, he just croaked over. That was pointless. Okay. Bro, you can't be spamming. Oh my goodness. He does not have a deep bag like that. It's just Zawado and knives. And oh yeah, and sometimes he wow, Falcon punch donuts you. That's literally everything he has. Okay, bro. Yo, I know about this move, but I never would expect it would happen right here. Like, bro, and the fact he goes, it's a rolled roller! Brother, where did you even get that from? Brother, Batista bombed him with a rolled roller. Where did that even come from? He jumped off the high ropes. It's a rolled roller! Dude, where did he get that from?
不可能よ。
The quality is so bad, I don't know what's going on. It's just like yellow mesh on my screen.
9秒経過。
Ew.
やった。
What happened to bro's fade? Why did he get a sky top out of nowhere? He's like Gohan as an adult with the Super Saiyan. That's what he looks like. That was. Oh, well. That was a great compilation, in my opinion. That was a solid 9 out of 10. Actually, that's borderline 10 out of 10. I like that video. That was a masterpiece. I would like it, but it's not this person's actual video. But yeah, I think DIO is a interesting character. He needs to be nerfed. He's a little broken. I don't see how anybody can beat the WARUDO because he stops time and then he probably just gives you the finger. I mean the fist, not the finger. Okay. But anyways, some more of this. Wait, if you want to see more of this, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll catch you guys next time. See ya.